In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can automatically save photos and videos that are sent on WhatsApp to your gallery. Saving photos to your gallery on WhatsApp ensures that you have a backup copy of important images, preserving memories and allowing easy access to them even if you switch devices. To do this, simply head into your WhatsApp. You will then head into Settings. On the Settings page, head into the Chat option. On the option of Save to Photos, make sure to enable this option. When turned on, the photos and videos you receive on WhatsApp will automatically get saved to your phone photos. That's how easy it is to auto-save photos from WhatsApp to your gallery. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.